This patient has minor crowding in the anterior region. To set the IPR value, we will proceed with the final setup first. We will align the mandible first. It arranges the teeth along with the arch line and adjusts the axis. We will align the maxillar. We will apply IPR because there is a lot of overlap at the central incisors and canines in the maxillar, and at the canines in the mandible. After the final setup, we will use the layer function to simplify tooth movement and increase the setup success rate. Adjust 0.3 millimeters IPR each between tooth number 41 to 42, number 43 to 44, number 31 to 32, and number 33 to 34. We will distribute the space evenly with expansion setup. In the maxillar, space is created only by expansion, so we will proceed without IPR. Because space for alignment is secured only by expansion of layer 1, we will align from layer 2. We will proceed rotation leveling along with the arch line. In the maxillar, we will adjust the anterior axis. Layer 3 is the pre-retraction stage. All teeth are adjusted close to the target arch line. For the last layer, we will proceed space closing with retraction. Overcorrection is performed by evenly distributing the overlap within 0.1 millimeters. Check the movement by each layer. When dividing steps, measure the distance moved by the teeth using superimpose function. In layer 1, tooth number 12 and 41 are the teeth that have moved the most. Divide the steps based on this. In layer 2, tooth number 11 and 42 are the teeth that have moved the most. Divide the steps based on this. In layer 3, tooth number 11 and 31 are the teeth that have moved the most. Divide the steps based on this. In layer 4, same as layer 3, tooth number 11 and 31 are the teeth that have moved the most. Divide the steps based on this. Finally, check the number of aligners through Show All Steps function.